Good day mga kabayan techers! It's another Thursday. We have another troubleshooting Thursday tip. How to take out the camera cable from an iPhone 7 and an iPhone 8. Welcome. Things that we need for today: ESD13 and the flat black stick, a isopropyl dispenser, and also some of the Q-tips. Always make sure before you start any repair that you wear an ESD strap. Let's begin. First thing that we're going to do, we're going to take out those screws. You're going to see a total of 6 for iPhone 7 and 8. So let me just remove them one by one. Then we take out the cover and then the speakers. We take out the speaker section. So yung speaker section po natin, kailangan po nating linisin po ito by using a Q-tip, and also it was dipped onto the isopropyl alcohol. Okay? And then isaswab lang po natin tong ear spot. Ito pong spot na kung nasaan po yung grill ng earpiece natin. Reason why we're doing this is para kung block na po siya ng dirt or debris, malilinis po siya, and this will improve yung speaker portion po and receiver. Let's take out this part. So we're going to use a blower set to 150, and we're going to do a blower of the top portion. So ang gagamitin ko po is yung isa para po kasi buo po siya. We're going to do a blower on the top section. Again, try nyo lang siyang hawak-hawakan and see kung hot to touch po siya. Kung medyo kumakagat na, then you could stop. Remove, using the black stick pointed end is to remove yung sensor po na nasa taas. So this one, we're going to lift it up a little bit. Yan po, natanggal na po yung isa. And then we go on to the other side and put our pointed stick, and na-lift na rin po yung isa. Then, we're going to use the flat end ESD13. I'm going to pull this one a bit, na hindi naman yung tipo mapuputol na po yung cable. So, ang gagawin lang po natin, ipapasok lang natin siya pa ganyan. Ang purpose po nun is para matanggal ang dikit ng microphone. Okay? So, mapapansin niyo nandito na ako sa portion na nandun na tayo sa microphone part. Okay? What I'm going to do is turn my ESD13 a little bit kasi tatanggalin po natin tong portion na to. So, sa slide through lang din po ako. Then, mapapansin niyo yung ating ESD13, magsa-slide through lang dun po doon. And then, natanggal na po natin. How to put it back? So, gagawin nyo lang po is ila-line up nyo lang po itong pointed na po, itong dalawang white, dito po sa holes po nung dalawang connector para sa speaker. So let me show it to you a little bit clearer. Yan po, ila-line up lang po natin yan. I'll use the black stick, pointed black stick, and then ipo-point ko lang po hanggang pumasok po siya dito. Mapapansin niyo yung bagong screen, meron po siyang dikit dito sa portion na to. All you have to do is just push it. Okay? Then you might notice also na meron po siyang white part po dito. Okay? Yung mga bagong screen po or replacement screen, kung wala po silang white part, you have to transfer this one going to the white part. Using a blower po bago nyo ikabit itong kinakabit ko ngayon, pwede kayong gumamit ng ESD13 to pry it out. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang po, ipipress lang po natin siya ulit. So, mapapansin nyo, makakarinig kayo ng crunch kanina until such point na hindi na siya umaangat. Babalik lang po natin ulit itong speaker and we put it here. Okay. Yan po. To put back the screws again. I put this one back. Always remember, if for example, kung may mga customer po kayo na sinasabi na they are having a hard time hearing, the person that they are speaking to over the other line, either po yung speaker receiver po ay madumi or sira na po siya. Pwede nyo po siyang palitan. Pero ang pinakamaganda is try nyo muna pong linisin, and if that will resolve it, then good. This is replacing or transferring the front camera speaker, receiver, and also the front sensors from one phone to the other or one screen to the other. Kabayan Techers, there you go. Thank you very much. Subscribe below and click the like button. Hit nyo na rin po ang bell. You will know if we have fresh new content every Tuesdays and Thursdays. This is your Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.